he takes off, hands off the yoke completely.
Oh yeah.
He flies everywhere he goes. He flies full mixture, full ridge.
Never learned it.
No, I mean, he told me that's how he flies it.
Oh, wow.
His mechanic says don't lean the engine, saves it. What do you think on that? Holy shit! What the fuck is he doing? Huh?
Giving you a nice shot.
I don't need a shot like that. I thought I was wrecking. Didn't you?
I kind of figured out what he was doing after he started.
I'm not kidding you. I thought he was fucking wrecking. I think maybe his seat fell back again.
Nah.
You think he did that intentionally?
Yeah, he knew you were sitting out there. Probably wanted you to get a good shot.
Woo! Wow, I've never seen that before. Usually you do that shit full speed.
Yeah.
Okay.